Banana has lot of potassium which hydrates the skin and moisturizes skin. Let's see how to make a banana mask. You will need a banana. Now peel it out. Then cut the banana into small pieces. Cut this banana peel into small pieces. We usually throw away this banana peel. But banana peel has a lot of nutrition. This banana peel can protect our skin moisture, smooth the skin, remove dark spots, remove dark circles under the eyes, rejuvenate sunburned skin and reduce wrinkles. Now put banana peels into a blender cup. Now add 2 or 3 pieces of banana. Now you will need 2 tablespoons of milk added to the blender cup. You will get the creamy paste. But don't think about color because results are amazing. Now put this banana paste in airtight glass container. Now you can see black layer on the top, yellow layer in the bottom. Now store this banana mixture in airtight glass container and keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out and apply black layer on your clean face. This banana mask has vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin C and zinc. This mask helps to heal dry skin and acne scars and dark spots. First apply black layer and wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, apply the yellow layer of banana mask. Now wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, use a tissue paper to wipe the mask. Then wash it. You can get soft skin. Don't forget to moisturize after washing the mask. You can use any serum for it. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button for latest updates.